So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can book doctor online using the Practo app. So, well, first things first, like you obviously understand, we are on an Android Power smartphone, and so we need to head towards the Play Store and download the app. In this particular case, it happens to be Practo. So, once the app finishes installing, we'll resume further. So, there you go. The app has finished downloading. We click on Open. So, we are presented with this interface. So initially the app, like any other app, will ask us for permissions. So let us give it all permissions that it requires, don't worry. And it's a trusted app. Subsequently, like all other apps, it will let us know what it is capable of. So you can book an appointment with the right doctor, you can chat online with doctors, you can get medicines delivered, and you can keep your medical history and everything. So now the next things, we will try and log in with our number. So I put in my mobile number. I should get a one-time OTP here. So it should automatically come in a few moments. There you go. It's come and we can directly log in. So it should take us right in. There you go. So it's detected our location and it will populate listings of doctors according to that. So you can see like the first app, it's like find doctors near me. So these are the doctors who are near you. But it's quite possible that you may seek a particular field doctor, like you may want a gynec or you may want a child specialist or something like that. So there are quite few many things here, and to be pretty honest, you can have any of this. And so depending on what you want, you can go ahead and have that. Actually, say for example, I want to consult a physiotherapist. I will be clicking on physiotherapist and it will list to me the different doctors who are available under physiotherapist. And it will show, the listing will show where the doctor is practicing. So it shows that it's practicing in Nizamabad, which happens to be a little far from here. Here Dr. Nanika Das, she's rated 95% and she is like practicing in Nalagandla and Kurumus therapy. And the consultation fee is 500 rupees. So you can consult there or you can book appointment. So wherever you see book appointment, you can book appointment. And when you see consult, it's basically they have the options of chatting online as well. So here it's in High Tech City. She is Srinivas Reddy, physiotherapist. And the way you book appointment is by you click on book appointment and then it will populate the different slots which are available and the different days they are available on. So if I see 31st May to 30th of June, there is no slot available. Wednesday 1st of July, I see a slot. I mean, I don't see a slot, I see so many slots. 24 slots are available. And if you see like the slots are available in the morning, afternoon, evening, very similar to how you would be booking a cinema ticket in case you have ever used like book my show or some app like that. So you can select the slot. So in case you want to have a slot booked at 10 a.m. So you can select a slot at 10 a.m. and the purpose of visit is consultation. You already know that he is practicing in High Tech City. And in this page, you simply put in the details that the appointment is being booked for you or for someone else. Here, the appointment is actually booked for me. It's not someone else. So my name, my mobile number. It could very well have been someone else. In case it's someone else, then you have to put in the patient's name and the patient's mobile number as well. But in this case, the patient is myself, so I put in my details. So at this point of time, what I can do is I can go ahead and click on confirm and it will confirm the appointment. Now, what this means is the appointment is confirmed for this particular day, but you obviously have to visit the hospital, right, to meet the doctor. So here, once we click on confirm, we should be receiving a 6-digit verification code. And there you go, 570818. So we'll allow that. And there you go. So actually, I've just paused it. We have actually already booked the slot for Srinivas Reddy. So this is how simple it is. I mean, it could have been very well similar for something else that you want to do. So like I said, you simply click on book appointment in case it's available. So it's quite possible that you may have a different, uh, I mean, different health issue and you may want to consult someone else. So in this case, I'm looking at skin. I want to say book an appointment with Venu Kumari, who practices in Chandanagar. And next availability is on Monday, June 1st. Today there is no slots. Tomorrow there are slots available. So one slot I see is available on 5:15. I will actually prefer the 6:15 slot. This is for me. I click on confirm. So everything, I mean, I'm just repeating the steps so that you actually get to know how it's done. So hopefully now you understand how you'll be booking appointments with this like Practo app, which I think is pretty important because this is the Corona period. Many people won't be wanting to go to a place and book appointments. So this really helps. So we have received this 501867. That's it. And the appointment has been booked successfully. We click on done. So that's it. I mean, I hope that this helps. Today's tutorial helps. In case you want to know where your appointments go, you can always like go towards the home page and like, here in the settings, you can always look at appointments and you can see where all your appointments are. In case you want to go ahead and cancel the appointment, you can always cancel it. You can reschedule it. So whatever you want to do. So hopefully, in case you didn't know how to use Practo, now you know how to do it. So in case your father or your mother tells that let's book a doctor, please do it for me, son. So you can always go ahead and do it. So please consider subscribing to this channel. Please click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications when we make tutorials. Please do share the word, spread this tutorial with your friends, colleagues, near dear ones. And please do put in your comments in the comment section because we look at them very carefully. We would love to reply to each one of them, take in inputs for making our new tutorials as well. Thank you so much. God bless. Goodbye and have a great, safe weekend as well. Thank you.